The Dripex 5-in-1 Playard offers a versatile solution for parents with its multifunctional design, seamlessly transforming into a bedside sleeper, bassinet, rocking bassinet, changing table, and playpen. Its user-friendly assembly requires no tools, making it an ideal choice for those who need an easy setup and a compact storage solution for both home and travel. Parents will appreciate the convenience of its bedside sleeper mode, which allows for easy nighttime care with adjustable height settings to match your bed. The dual bassinet modes offer the flexibility of a gentle rocking feature, soothing babies to sleep, or a stable bassinet for uninterrupted naps. The built-in changing table is both practical and safe, featuring a waterproof surface and a U-shaped design to prevent rolling, making it perfect for postpartum recovery. The playpen's breathable mesh sides ensure excellent air circulation and visibility, providing a spacious and safe area for toddlers to play.